Some of my colleagues and friends are very scared seeing the crypto market crash today. Some of them are new in this field and some of them have already invested their money in this market. And they are asking just one simple question. Is this the end of this market fall? Will the market bounce back from that level? This is the level we should put our money in. Is this the moment to invest in the market, or we should wait for more market fall? In this video, I will be analyzing whether the market has already reached its bottom and the time has come for market bounce back, or still there is a possibility that the market will once again go down much deeper than today's level. But remember one thing, that this video and many videos like this are only made for educational purposes and it is not at all investment advice. So once again, without wasting your time and the time of mine, let's begin. Whenever we analyze the price movement in the crypto market, we consider the price of the Bitcoin first, because Bitcoin is considered as the tiger of the jungle, and if Bitcoin shows the confidence, all other cryptocurrencies shows the confidence too. And for that reason, despite of analyzing all other altcoins chart, I will be analyzing the chart of Bitcoin, and by using some technical charts and indicators, I will be finding out whether the market is really gonna crash more, or this is the bottom that the entire crypto market is getting right now. In this Bitcoin US dollar chart, I have primarily considered MACD and RSI, and according to the MACD indicator, market is continuously falling down and still there is a chance of market fall. And as far as the RSI is concerned, the indicator is showing that market is already reaching to its bottom and almost reached to its oversold position. But the trick is that the same thing happened in 10th of December 2018. That time RSI was also at the oversold position, and at that time the price of the Bitcoin was 1729 US dollar. But after that the price of the Bitcoin gone up to 11,636 US dollar. Similarly, on 9th of March 2020, the RSI indicator also was at oversold position. At that time, the price of Bitcoin was around 5,692 US dollar, and after that it's gone up to 63,484 mark. That is huge for the Bitcoin, and this mammoth movement provided a huge profit to its investors. And then the market started falling once again and reached down to $32,111. And you can see even at that moment the RSI indicator was almost near to its oversold position, and then the market again gone up and reached to its 65,000 level mark, and then the price of the Bitcoin started plummeting, and right now once again this RSI indicator is almost right now at its oversold position. That truly indicates that there might be another price reversal in the price of the Bitcoin. And whenever this indicator reach its oversold position, fresh buyers take position at that point of time, and again the price of the Bitcoin start moving upward. And this thing has been repeatedly observed in 3 cases in last 5 years in the price of the Bitcoin. And apart from these 2 technical indicators, I generally consider the exponential moving average before taking any final decision. And during this analysis, I have considered 200 days exponential moving average, 50 days exponential moving average, and 100 days exponential moving average. And among these 3 indicators, you can see that the price of the Bitcoin has already crossed 50 days moving average and 100 days moving average, but it is far beyond than 200 days moving average of 25,054 mark. That truly indicates that still market has a potential to bounce back once again. And as during this analysis I have considered the 5 years chart, it truly shows that if the bounce back comes in the market, this time the market will bounce back and give a huge return that we have earlier seen in 2018 and 2020. Similar indication you can see in Bollinger Band also. Whenever you can see the price of Bitcoin has touched the upper band of the Bollinger Band, it started going down, and whenever it has touched the lower band of the Bollinger Band, again it gone up. and the same situation has been repeatedly done in the case of Bollinger Band. Similarly, in 17 May 2021, when the price of the Bitcoin touched the lower band of the Bollinger Band, it gone up once again, and the same thing is repeatedly going to happen here also. The price of the Bitcoin has touched the lower band of the Bollinger Band, and this time I believe that the time has come that the price of the Bitcoin will rise once again and give a huge bounce back to its investors as a reward. Another major indicator to analyze the price movement is stochastics. In stochastics, we find out whether the market is in overbought or in oversold condition. If the market stay at oversold condition, then the chances are very high that the market will bounce back, and the same thing is going to get repeated once again, because right now once again stochastic says that the market is in oversold condition, and this oversold condition suggests that market already is nearing to its bottom, and chances are very high that from that level market once again will be bouncing back. And at last I'll be considering the volume parameter. In this volume parameter, I have considered the 5 days price movement chart of Bitcoin. And in the volume parameter, if the volume goes down along with the price of any asset, that truly means that there is a possibility of upcoming uptrend or bounce back. And the same thing is happening in case of Bitcoin at this moment. In this case, I have considered the 5 days price movement chart of Bitcoin that truly suggests that the price of Bitcoin has gone down rapidly along with the volume. That truly means that less people are selling their holdings, and there is a possibility that the fresh buyers will be coming here in this position and will be buying more, and that will help Bitcoin to once again bounce back and provide a good return in the market. So that's it for today. I have already put my money in the market today. If you want to put your money, kindly consider with your financial advisor before taking any financial decision. Remember, it's your decision, it's your money, and it's your profit.